Hi everyone, today we will talk about the installation and configuration for our smart solar temperature controller. First, you will need an electric supply from the DB, connect to the input, live, neutral and earth. Second, this pair of wire is connected to our heating element in the solar tank. But make sure the live and neutral is connected to the correct port, because that is not showing any live or neutral in the port. The board only show you the H1, so make sure you have to check it first, but later I will guide you how to check the port, which is for live and neutral. Okay, third, this two wire connected to the T1 port is for our temperature sensor. For the configuration part, first we will change the time first. For the time setting, we just click on the clock. Then, okay, for now it's 2 PM, so we just change the time to 14. Then click one more time on the clock, so change to the minute. Now it's 21. Okay, press one more time the clock. Okay, that's it. This is the time setting for our temperature controller. Okay, now we will go for the timer setting for our temperature controller. We have total 3 sets of timer for this. Okay, first you want to set the timer, you click on the set. Then you will see that TH10 means the timer 1 on time. TH1F means the timer 1 off time. And go on, TH20 means the timer 2 on time. And the TH2F means the timer 2 off time. And the timer 3 on, timer 3 off. Okay, now we go for the first setting for the timer 1 on time. So I just click on the set. Okay, let's say I want to set at 5 o'clock. I just change the time to 5 o'clock morning. Okay, the temperature I want to set at 40. And click on the set. Okay, after that, for the timer 1 on time, we had already set. Then we go for the timer 1 off time. Okay, timer 1 off time. Okay, let's say I want to set at 6:30. So this is 6:30. Okay, and the temperature I want to set at 62. Okay, so the timer 1 is complete. The timer will hit from 40 to 52 Celsius. Okay, and the timer duration is from 5 o'clock morning until 6:30 morning. Okay, we go for the timer 2. Okay, let's say I want to disable the timer 2 and timer 3, right? I just click on the timer 2, on time. You make sure that on time is 10, okay, let's say this is 10 o'clock. So for the timer 2 off time, I have to set it at the same time also. For the on and off, we have to set it to the same time. Okay, go for the timer 3. If you want to disable it, you have to change the time to be same. For the timer 3 on time at 5 o'clock PM, and the timer 3 off time to be 5 o'clock PM also. You have to set it to be same. Like what I said previously, we have to check the live and neutral for the heating element. To check it, you just simply click on the MH button, then do the manual heat first. Okay, after that, you use the test pen, tap on the live and neutral to check which is for the live and neutral. For this, okay, you see that this is a light, and for the neutral, there's no light. So you have to tap it first before you do the connection. Okay, actually the manual heating is quite simple. You just press on the MH button and set the temperature you want to. Let's say I want to heat the water until 50 Celsius. Then I click one more time on the MH button. Okay, you will see that the finger icon and the heating icon is blinking. Means our temperature controller is using the manual heat to heat the water in the solar tank.